Let us first write the program which displays any random number which has entered by the user. So for this we need a variable of type integer. So for this we will write command int age. You can write anything here. I am writing age. You can write A, B, C, number 1, anything. We are just giving the variable name as age of type integer. So as soon as the system comes to the line 5, it will generate a memory with the name age and its type is integer. Means the memory allocated to the age can only store integer values, which are numbers. Printf enter your age. Scanf format %d. %d is a format specifier, comma, and age. Printf your age is %d, comma, which is stored in the variable age, and return 0. Return 0 will return 0 to the main, telling the computer that there are no errors. So here at the line 8 we have written scanf, means input from the keyboard, and we have given the format specifier. That means the input must be the type integer, and age is the storage location, the memory. The first we have allocated some memory when we have written int age. So when we enter any integer, any number, it will be stored in the memory age, and then we will be printing the output like your age is %d, means integer which is stored in the variable age. So let us first compile it and see whether there are any errors. So it is showing 0 errors. Now we will run the program. Enter your age 34 and press enter. See here, your age is 34. We have successfully written the program. Now we will use the escape sequence \n, which will place the cursor in the next line. We will see the result. Enter your age, and the cursor has been placed in the next line. So here we will enter any number, age, and press enter. Your age is 45. Press enter. Now we will write a program that adds any two random number which has been given by the user. So to write this program, let us first write what are all we require to write this program. First is we need 3 variables which are of type integers. Second, we will pass the values to the variables, and third is print the output. So for this we need 3 variables. Let us start writing in our code. Let me delete this first. So for this we need 3 variables of type integers. So first one will be int. I will give it a name num1. Second, it will be num2, which is number 2. Third will be total semicolon. So first the system should ask for you to enter number 1. So for that we will write printf and enter number 1. Scanf %d, which will get the number from the user, and store it in the memory of num1. Next, printf enter number 2 or second number semicolon. Scanf for format specifier %d. It tells that user should enter a integer and should be stored in number 2. Now printf total of 2 numbers is format specifier %d and get it from total. So we will write like total is equal to num1 plus number 2 semicolon. So first let us compile it whether there are any errors. It shows 0 errors, 0 warnings. Now let us execute the program. Enter number 1, 21. Enter number 2, 22. The total of 2 numbers is, here we are getting some error. So this should be written here. That's it. Now let us check. Let us compile it. Now we'll run it. We'll give number 21, 22. Now see, 21 plus 22 is equal to 43. The total of two numbers is 43. So let us escape sequence. This time I will give tab sequence, and let us see what would be the output. See, 21, because we have given the tab sequence 10, the total of two numbers is 31. So we have successfully added the two random numbers given by the user. So now let me explain it little bit more about this program, what we have done. Let me open MS Paint. So in our program we have declared int number 1 and int number 2 and third one is int total. So as soon as the system execute like int num1, it will allocate some memory to it, and it is telling that this memory should contain only the integer. The same thing applies to the number 2 and total. So when we enter a number 5 using scanf, it will be get stored, like let us see in the code. In the line 11 we have written scanf %d and num1, and number 1 is specifying the address of the number 1. So when we enter a value here, it will be get stored in the num1. So when we enter number 21, it will be get stored in the number 1, and again if we enter some number like 10, it will be stored in the num2. Then we have given that total is equal to num1 plus num2. So it will get the number from num1 and num2 and add it and store the value 31 in the total. So now total contains the value 31 in it, and when we write the printf, total of two number is %d is integer from the memory location total. The total contains 31, so it will be this %d will be replaced by the value which is contained in the total. That is why the output is showing us the total of two number is 31. Press any key to continue. Hope you understood that. Meet you in the next video.